this is one of the payments that we've received from a legit data entry job. And in today's video, we're going to be showing you how you can make this amount of money in the same way. Today's method can be done on your computer or your phone. It doesn't really matter, which means that you can take your job with you absolutely anywhere. Whether it's to lunch or to a family gathering or to your vacation, you can take your job with you on your phone. Even while you're enjoying and doing your thing, you'll still be able to earn, which is very convenient, and we assume that it's the best thing you're ever going to know. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So as you can see on our screen, this is our latest data entry task. The company who hired us tasked us to look up jewelers from Los Angeles, so that's what you're seeing on our screen right now. This was going to be used in a research study, so that's why we were asked to look for all the jewelers in LA, or as much as we can gather, and then just input it in a spreadsheet, and that would basically be it. So we looked up Los Angeles jewelers, and obviously Google Maps will show you what you're looking for, and you can easily just click on the jewelers. So we have Sarah Leonard, Peter Norman, High Class, Artist LA, and basically a whole lot more. So whatever you click, it shows more information on the left side, correct? And what you want to do is copy the name of the business and then just paste it on the spreadsheet under business. So as you can see, you have the business, email, phone number, and address. So what we did was we had to get all of this information. So we have the business name already, and it's relatively harder to find the email address, phone number and all that. But what we like to do is just go straight into their website, which most jewelers would have on the left side of your screen when they show a little bit more information. And once you actually click on the link there, it will lead you to their website, and just with that, you'll easily find their contact number, email, and even their exact address. So you just need to look for that on their website, copy, and then paste it under the respective categories. So then you're just going to do that with the rest of the jewelers. So it's pretty much very basic stuff. If you're quick with your hands, you can easily do this in less than 20 minutes, and you can repeat this, 5 times. And that's exactly how you can make almost $200 of only an hour of work, which honestly, who doesn't love, right? Now let's get into the exact platforms that's going to pay you to do what we just showed you. The first one that we're going to be showing you isn't the highest paying one, so if you want to know which platform is the highest paying one, then you definitely need to stay until the end. But of course, you need to start out with our first website. Anyway, the first website is called ClickWorker, and to get to their website, you just need to type in clickworker.com/clickworker. Now, as you can see, profit from your talents. ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct texts, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works is you can sign up as a ClickWorker free of charge, then you work independently, your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or a mobile device with an internet connection. If you guys want to earn even more money online, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise that I know you guys are going to all love. So if you want to earn some more money online every single day, over $1,000, make sure you check our description box down below. Also, why don't you leave a comment on where you're from and what you'd rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. You decide when and how much you want to work on a freelance basis. The best thing about this is that you can download this on both Android and iOS devices, so you can easily go on Google Play Store or the App Store, download the app and start making money just from your phone. So the jobs on this app would be text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, which we're focusing on, surveys, mystery visits, app testing, photo capturing, audio recordings, and video recordings as well. Now, those are a lot that you can do on just one website, alright? You can obviously try everything out as you wish, but since our focus is data entry, that's what we're going to be discussing on. Now, as you can see, research on this website is search for data and addresses of companies, restaurants, and other localities in the web, and that's literally what we just showed you, and that's exactly what this website is for. So you sign up, you fill out your user profile, you complete short assessments, you get good results so you can get many jobs. You then process your jobs online and then get paid on a weekly and even a monthly basis. Now, here are some benefits at a glance, okay? So obviously there's an easy start with assessments. There's good quality work that ensures an increase in earnings. It is a work from home whenever you have time, and you don't even have to worry about customer acquisition. We take care, or this website takes care of the distribution of the jobs to you. This website gives you more time for your own work, and you don't have to write any invoices either. And we know how exhausting it is to write invoices, right? So you don't even have to do that on your own. They take care of the entire process, including the payment to you weekly or monthly payment via SEPA or PayPal, and 24/7 support from their ClickWorker community. So if you will need any help, maybe at 3 in the morning, you can literally just message their chat support and they will respond to you right away. There's always someone there waiting. So this is the first website that is best to get started with. It's very specific as what we told you earlier. So this is what you should try. Our second website is called Pico Workers, and to get to their website, you just need to type in picoworkers.com. And that should lead you to this page right here. Small gigs, big results. Basically, customers come to you on here, ask for help as far as data entry. So this website is the second highest paying website, and it's also a great way to earn money from data entry. In fact, it's one of the most legit and trusted websites for data entry jobs, and that's exactly why we included it in today's video. So make sure that you get into this as well. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. And let's keep going then. Finally, if you want to find the website that pays the highest for data entry, you can actually look that up on Google straight away. Google actually has a search tab that if you type in data entry jobs, Google pulls up all the listings for that everywhere on the internet. And they give you a price and more information on it, like a preview and stuff like that. So it's also another great way to spot the best ones in the market. So make sure you go on Google, go to Pico Workers, and go to clickworker.com. Let us know how it goes for you, and that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.